Have you ever felt that creeping frustration as your vision slowly changes with age? That subtle blurriness that makes reading a book or recognizing a friend's face just a little more difficult than it used to be. For many men and women over 50, this isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can feel like a loss of independence, a small but constant reminder that time is taking something away. And all too often, the world tells us the same thing, that once your eyesight begins to decline, there is nothing you can do but accept it. But what if that belief wasn't entirely true? What if there were real, practical ways to regain clarity and confidence in your vision without resorting to surgery or expensive interventions? Today, you're going to hear stories of people just like you who did exactly that, who discovered methods to improve their eyesight naturally, and whose experiences offer inspiration, hope, and concrete lessons you can apply in your own life. The first story comes from Susan, a 62-year-old retired teacher. Like many people, she assumed her worsening eyesight was simply a part of getting older. Reading the fine print on menus or feeling comfortable behind the wheel at night had become a daily struggle. She felt frustrated, embarrassed, and occasionally even fearful of losing her independence. But instead of resigning herself to the decline, she decided to explore changes she could make in her daily habits. Susan began with her diet, focusing on foods rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients known to support eye health. Within a few months, she noticed subtle changes. The edges of letters appeared sharper, colors seemed more vivid, and her eyes felt less fatigued at the end of a long day. Susan didn't just regain some clarity. She regained confidence in her ability to navigate daily life. Her story is a powerful reminder that the right nutritional choices, grounded in science, can make a tangible difference in vision over 50. Then there's Michael, a 60-year-old accountant who had always relied heavily on reading and computer work. He experienced the creeping frustration of blurred lines, headaches, and tired eyes that seemed impossible to escape. Like many, he believed that vision would only deteriorate, and that surgery was the only path forward. But Michael learned about simple, structured eye exercises designed to strengthen ocular muscles and improve focus flexibility. Skeptical at first, he committed to a daily routine, focusing on near and far objects, gentle eye rotations, and short visual breaks during long periods at the computer. Gradually, Michael noticed that his headaches diminished, his vision felt more relaxed, and his focus became crisper. He didn't achieve a perfect 20/20ths overnight, but he regained a remarkable degree of clarity without any invasive procedures. Michael's journey demonstrates that consistency, patience, and targeted exercises can yield real, measurable results, even later in life. Linda, a 65-year-old artist, offers another inspiring perspective. For years, she struggled with both near and distance vision, accepting that blurry outlines and muted colors were simply part of aging. But her lifestyle changes went beyond nutrition and exercise. She focused on holistic wellness, including adequate sleep, stress reduction, and mindful habits. Linda incorporated short meditation sessions, prioritized deep sleep, stayed well hydrated, and avoided prolonged screen time without breaks. Within several months, her eyes felt less strained, her perception of color sharpened, and her overall visual experience improved. While these were subtle shifts, they had a profound impact on her daily life, allowing her to enjoy painting, reading, and social interactions with renewed pleasure. Linda's story underscores a crucial point. Vision health is deeply connected to the overall balance of your body and mind. Improvements in one area often ripple into the other, leading to a more holistic sense of clarity. Across these stories, several common threads emerge. The first is empowerment. Each individual chose to take control of their visual health instead of passively accepting decline. They embraced practices that were evidence-based, sustainable, and achievable. Second, there is consistency. None of these improvements were instant miracles. They required daily commitment, whether through dietary changes, visual exercises, or lifestyle adjustments. Finally, there is the understanding that vision is connected to overall health. Eye clarity is not an isolated system. It reflects nutrition, stress levels, sleep quality, and daily habits. Recognizing this interconnectedness allowed these individuals to make choices that produced lasting benefits, rather than temporary or superficial fixes. Now, it is essential to address a common misconception. Many people assume that natural improvements in vision are only minor or negligible. While it is true that nothing can replace certain medical interventions in cases of severe eye disease, the experiences of Susan, Michael and Linda reveal that meaningful improvement is possible for those committed to proactive, informed practices. Even a partial restoration of clarity can transform daily life, increasing confidence, independence, and quality of life. These stories serve not only as inspiration but as a roadmap, showing that change is attainable with knowledge, discipline, and intention. It's important to highlight the emotional dimension of these transformations. Vision is more than a physical sense. It shapes how we engage with the world, how we connect with loved ones, and how we experience beauty and meaning. Regaining clarity naturally isn't just a technical achievement. It's a source of empowerment, a way to reclaim joy and independence in later years. Each step toward improved vision strengthens the sense that aging does not have to mean loss and limitation. By witnessing the journeys of those who have succeeded, viewers can replace doubt and resignation with hope and actionable insight. What steps can you take today to move in this direction? Begin by examining your diet. Prioritize foods rich in eye-supporting nutrients like leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and fatty fish. Next, incorporate simple eye exercises that can improve focus, flexibility, and reduce fatigue. Third, evaluate lifestyle factors. Ensure adequate sleep. Manage stress through mindfulness or gentle exercise, and take regular breaks from screens. Finally, cultivate patience and consistency, recognizing that meaningful results are often gradual but cumulative. By combining these elements, you create a foundation for improved visual clarity that supports independence, productivity, and engagement with life. Let's consider the power of small, consistent changes. A few minutes of daily eye exercises may seem insignificant on their own, but over weeks and months, the cumulative effect can be remarkable. Adjusting diet to include lutein-rich foods or omega-3 sources may feel like a minor tweak. Yet these nutritional shifts provide essential support for the structures of the eye. Prioritizing rest and stress management may seem peripheral to vision, but when the body is well rested and balanced, visual performance improves naturally. Taken together, these small actions demonstrate that meaningful change does not require drastic measures or surgery, but thoughtful, sustained commitment. Stories of natural vision improvement also serve as a counternarrative to the fear and resignation that often accompany aging. Instead of assuming decline is inevitable, viewers are shown that hope is possible, backed by evidence and real-life examples. Susan, Michael, and Linda each faced doubts and setbacks, yet their persistence led to tangible improvements. Their experiences teach that belief and action are intertwined. Having hope motivates action, and taking deliberate action reinforces hope. This cycle fosters both psychological and physiological benefits, creating momentum towards sustained visual health. It's also valuable to acknowledge the community dimension. Many adults over 50 feel isolated in their concerns about aging and vision loss. Hearing real stories fosters connection, showing that others share similar challenges and have successfully navigated them. This social validation strengthens motivation, reduces anxiety, and encourages engagement with practices that improve eyesight. By seeing examples of individuals who took control and achieved results, viewers gain not only information but also emotional support, which is essential for sustained behavior change. As we reflect on these narratives, it becomes clear that the journey toward improved vision is deeply personal yet universally relatable. The challenges of blurred lines, fatigue, and reduced clarity touch almost everyone over 50, yet the strategies for improvement are accessible and actionable. By integrating proper nutrition, targeted exercises, lifestyle adjustments, and emotional resilience, individuals can regain significant visual function. More importantly, they can reclaim a sense of autonomy and confidence, redefining what aging looks and feels like. So, what can you take away from this video today? First, that improvement is possible, even naturally and without surgery. Second, that small, consistent steps can yield measurable change over time. Third, that vision health is interconnected with overall wellness, emphasizing the importance of holistic habits. Finally, that real-life examples provide proof and inspiration, showing that ordinary adults can achieve extraordinary outcomes with the right knowledge and dedication. Your vision is more than just sight. It is a gateway to connection, joy, and independence. By learning from the experiences of those who have regained clarity naturally, you are empowered to make informed choices, embrace hopeful practices, and invest in your long-term well-being. Don't wait until frustration becomes overwhelming. Start exploring what is possible today. And remember that consistent, mindful action can lead to remarkable results. If these stories resonate with you, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Tell us what challenges you face with your vision, and which strategies you are eager to try. Your input helps create a community of support, inspiration, and shared learning for others on the same journey. And to continue receiving stories, tips, and actionable guidance for thriving beyond 50, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your eyes and your life deserve the clarity and freedom that informed, natural practices can provide.